Well, everybody says that Leitrim is one of the best kept secrets. I came to Leitrim 40 years ago just for 6 months, and here I am still here. So it's a place, it's a nice place to live, but it's also a nice place to visit. You've got every conceivable type of activity if you want to get involved. Angling is particularly good in Leitrim, particularly coarse angling. You've got horse riding, you've got hill walking, and lots of other sort of cultural things as well. Lots of festivals like on Toastal, the Joe Mooney Summer School, and then theatre. You've got the Glen Centre in Manorhampton, you've got the Dock Theatre in Carrick-on-Shannon. Everything is very reasonably priced. It's just one of those places where people value their own culture. And by valuing their own culture, they literally want to share it with the rest of the world. When we think of the Gathering 2013, which is Leitrim is very active in, there are lots of great new projects. For example, they're inviting drama groups to come over from different parts of Europe, particularly England, where the language is the same, I suppose. And also they're having fishing competitions, they're having sporting occasions, angling competitions, every kind of thing that you could possibly imagine. Anything that will give people a reason to come to Leitrim, because you can come to Leitrim not just for one particular activity. The ideal way is to come and sort of plan any time during the year. You can maybe combine a bit of horse riding with a bit of hill walking, with a bit of angling, with a bit of music, with a bit of theatre. It's all here. Ireland Westrad is a programme to give people all over the world a glimpse of what Leitrim is and what it's like to visit Leitrim. You'll be seeing Leitrim culture, the landscape of Leitrim, and all the different things there are to do when you visit Leitrim. People say that Leitrim is one of the best kept secrets in the world, but I'm telling you, the secret is out.